Greetings! Today, we would like to introduce you to the UTS Platform. We believe it to be the most comprehensive maritime solution in the world that could revolutionize the entire industry. We built the UTS Platform with the latest technologies using Microsoft's Azure Cloud Computing Platform along with a microservices architecture to ensure maximum uptime and scalability as our user base and business grows. The UTS Platform is a multi-tenancy system, software as a service or SaaS for short, that currently hosts 9 tenants, which are a combination of companies and unions serving around 29,000 people and storing over 350,000 certificates and documents. Additionally, we partner and store information of over 1,200 training centers worldwide and give them the ability to manage their catalogs of their ever-growing 5,000 unique training courses. The UTS Platform is composed of 3 major components: the mobile apps, the websites, and the back-end services to cater to the needs of each specific clients. We have 2 versions of the mobile app. First, we have the public version, where any seafarer can download and become a part of the larger UTS, AMOSUP, or any other open communities within our platform. Second, we have a private version of the mobile app, tailored specifically for clients who want their own branded version or have a stricter company policy. On the web front, we have the tenant portal, the employee portal, and the training center. The tenant portal is the employer portal where they can manage their employees, seafarers, records, documents, certificates, track requirements for each seafarer's roles, their trainings, their assessments, and so much more. The employee portal is the web version of the mobile app for employees or seafarers who prefer the full desktop experience. Both the employee portal and mobile apps, from a technical standpoint, uses the exact same web APIs, so data always remain in sync between the 2 platforms. The Training Center portal is for the training centers to manage their course listings, including e-learning, set course prices, manage their training book requests, their classrooms, issue certificates, directly message course delegates or students, and so much more. On the back end, we have web API integrations between our vendors running on Azure, the sending of emails and push notifications, handling of back-end business logic either in Azure App Services or stored procedures, aggregation of data on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, and the generation of reports via SSRS, and so much more. The UTS Platform is an umbrella of systems that are interconnected, designed to seamlessly anticipate, predict, and project the needs of all parties involved: the tenants, the seafarers, and the training centers. For example, tenants, which could be direct employers or manning agents, can be notified when their seafarers' certificates are about to expire in 30, 60, or 90 days, so they can proactively set aside budget and select the nearest or cheapest training centers from our database of training centers to send their crew before their certificates expire, ensuring they remain compliant within their respective work locations and roles. If the employer or manning agents are short on people, they can post job postings within the UTS Platform with a list of requirements and match those requirements against the qualifications and certificates of the seafarers who applied to the job postings via the mobile app to find candidates who are already compliant for the role or those who are the closest. Training centers can easily manage the influx of booking requests and easily communicate to both manning agents or employers and seafarers in real time. They can also publish their course catalogs, their schedules, pricing, and even send joining instructions days before the class starts. The UTS Platform automatically generates the training certificates and adds it to the person's profile. The mobile app, along with the employee portal, is how the seafarers are kept informed and connected with their employer or manning agents and with the training centers. They are also notified when their certificates are nearing expiration and can also proactively book a training request directly with their employer or manning agency's preferred training centers, or if paying personally, their own preferred training centers. The mobile app very clearly shows the seafarers their compliance with their current role and for future roles in cases they are soon to be promoted, and even how compliant they are for all the jobs they've applied for. We hope you enjoyed a glimpse of what the UTS platform can do, and more importantly, of what it could become. A force multiplier and the first of its kind in the maritime industry. Oh, and one more thing. I know you might be wondering, where is AI in all of this? We have looked into the possible use cases for AI where it could add value to the UTS platform. Our vision is to use AI in a variety of scenarios, from automatically detecting fraudulent certificates or documents, to using AI agents to shop for the cheapest plane tickets, hotel rooms, and training courses, to using AI to deep dive into a customer's data, with their permission of course, to provide a comprehensive dashboard or insights to all of their employees, seafarers, assets, and fleet. These are just some of the use cases we are contemplating, and we may implement them in the UTS platform when we feel the timing is right. Again, we thank you and appreciate your time. Take care.